Okay, we're putting the finishing touches on this roof here. A couple of years back we put the gutter system on here. This is a Pristine Pinnacle black shingle, dimensional shingles with 6-inch black gutter system and the black nose over cover system. So we'll walk around, get some close-up shots, and get the finished out look. All the ridge vents cut in, the chimney flues are painted black. Putting the guards back on now. Very nice, clean. Gutters still really look very nice on here. Had to replace some siding due to squirrel related issues. You know, squirrels are really bad around wooded lots. They love to chew on a house. So I'm gonna take you around the front, kind of give you an idea of the magnitude of this roof. This was about a 60 square roof. Took us a few days to get it done, but we don't get in a hurry on no one's house. We try to do everything right the first time. This cut valleys, like we say before, you know, we put the water and ice shield, the aluminum, the synthetic underlayment. Do what's called a cut valley. All the ridge has been cut out for ventilation. Pipes are painted black versus your white pipe sticking up off of a roof. That's one thing that I personally dislike. And little details always make the difference. Like I said before, turned out really nice. Black on black. Skirt flashing cut into the brick. Covers are doing their job, keeping the debris out. Yeah. We want every single customer to be completely satisfied with everything we do. Treat every job as if it was our only job. We actually had to cut some crown molding back on this side due to a squirrel trying to make its way in the house here. You know, squirrels are like we are. They like to get in and get warm in the cold months. So you can't really blame them, but they're determined little critters, that's for sure. As I said again, you know, pipes are always painted black. Doing the roof. It's another job complete.